How to update Omnipod 5 PDM firmware update guide. How to update Omnipod 5 PDM. Step 1. Prepare for the update. Ensure your Omnipod 5 controller PDM battery is above 40% or above 20% if charging. For some updates, the minimum is 15%. Connect to a strong Wi-Fi network. Updates may take longer with a weak connection. You will receive a notification on your controller when an update is available. Step 2. Initiate the update automatic prompt. When an update is available, a notification will appear on your PDM's home screen. Immediate update. If you're ready, tap the notification bell, select the update notification and then tap Update Now. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. Deferred update. If you choose Not Now, the update notification will reappear every 72 hours until the update is installed. Step 3. Manual update. If you didn't receive a notification or previously selected Not Now, you can manually check for updates. Navigate to the home screen. Tap the notification bell icon. Select the update notification. Tap Update Now, and follow the on-screen instructions. Step 4. During the update, you cannot use the controller for navigation or bolusing during the update, but automated insulin delivery continues in the background. The update usually takes a few minutes depending on your Wi-Fi speed. After the update, normal use resumes. Your insulin delivery settings and adaptive algorithm data are not affected.